Good day, class. Welcome to Plain Tricks in Mathematics. Today, we want to look at squares and square roots of numbers in mathematics. Let's start with squares. Square means raised to power 2. So, the square of any number is the product of the number and itself. Let's look at it like this. Square of y is y times y. That is y times itself. That is the simple meaning of square of a number. Let's look at examples to understand how to calculate squares of numbers in mathematics. Find the square of the following: 1, 11, 2, 0.5, 3, 1 over 2. Let's start with 1. Square of 11 means 11 raised to power 2, which is 11 times 11. And 11 times 11 is 121. Let's go to 2. Square of 0.5 means 0.5 raised to power 2, which is 0.5 times 0.5. Alright? If you remove the decimal, one place there, we have 5. 5 times 5, 25. So 25. Let's move the 2 places back. 1, 2. So the answer is 0.25. Then the third question, which is half. Square of half means half raised to power 2. This is 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 2, 4. So square of half is 1 over 4. So that is how to calculate squares of numbers in mathematics. Now let's look at square roots of numbers. The square root of a number is the number that, when multiplied by itself, it gives the original number. Now, the symbol of square root is this. This is the symbol of square root in mathematics. Now, therefore, square root of 36 is plus or minus 6. Let's now put it in our definition. Square root of 36 is 6. That when 6 is multiplied by itself, it gives the original 36. That is just the simple meaning of square root. We can also define square root as raised to power of half. That is, square root of 36 can be expressed as 36 raised to power half. Right? That is, square root of 36 raised to power 1. Then the 2, you can put it here. This is according to the law of indices. Right? So, according to the law of indices, the square root of 36 is the same thing as 36 raised to power half, which can be expressed as this. But mathematically, you can remove these two and write it as square root of 36, which is plus or minus 6. So, those are the ways to explain square root of numbers in mathematics. Note, square root of 1 is plus or minus 1. If I write square root of 1 is plus or minus 1. Please don't forget. Let's look at how to find square root of numbers in mathematics. Finding square root of numbers. We want to look at the easiest ways to find square roots of numbers in mathematics. 1. The first method is using factors method. In this method, all you have to do is to look for the factors of the number and find where the number is the same. Wherever the number is the same, then you pick it as the square root of that number. 2. Using prime factors method. Under this method, all you have to do is just to find the prime factors of the number. Then from there, you write it in index in form of square. Examples. Find the square root roots of the following. Alright? 1, 36, 2, 2, 2, 5. Now let's start with the first one, 36. And method 1. Let's see how we can make use of method 1. In method 1, we look for factors of 36. What are the factors of 36? Factors of 36. 36 equals 1 times 36, right? 36 is 2 times 18. 36 is 3 times 12. Well, 3 and 1, 3 and 2. 36 is 4 times 9. 5 cannot divide it, we skip it. 6. 36 is 6 times 6. Now that you have 6 and 6 together, this is where you pick your square root. Therefore, according to this method, the square root of 36 is 6. Because you have the same number to multiply, then you pick your square root from there. That is the method 1. Method 2. Under method 2, we are going to look for the prime factors of 36. So, as usual, we draw the table. 36. Alright. 2, 1, 8, 2, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. When you get to 1, then you stop. Right? So, 36 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. The idea is that you arrange them in square. You arrange them what? In square. This will be 2 square times 3 square. A kind of index form. Now that we have them in square, what we do is that we pick one from here, we pick one from here. So that's the rule. Therefore, the square root of 36 is 2 times 3, and it is 6. So that's how to use product of prime factors to find the square root of a particular number in mathematics. To boost our understanding, let's use the two methods to solve question 2. Let's start with method 1. Method 1. So let's do for factors of 225. 225 is 1 times 225. 225. Let's go. 2 cannot divide it. Let's go to 3. 3, 7, 75. 225. 4 cannot divide it. Let's go to 5. 5 in 20. 4. Remainder 2. 5 in 25. 45. 225. Right? 6 cannot divide it. 7 cannot divide it. 8 cannot divide it. 9 cannot divide it. 10 cannot divide it. 11 cannot divide it. 12 cannot divide it. 13 cannot divide it. 14. But 15 can divide it. 15 times 15. So, you stop here since we have the same number. So, therefore, according to method 1, the square root of 225 is 15. Because that's where we get the same number. And let's look at the second method. Method 2 to solve question 2. Right? As usual, let's have our table. 225. Let's start with 3. 3 in 22. 7. Remainder 1. 3 in 15. 5. Let's go with 3 again. 3 in 7. 2. 3 in 15. Remainder 1. 5. Right? 3 cannot go. Let's go with 5. 5 in 25. 5. 5 in 5. 1. When you get to 1, you can stop. Right? Therefore, 225 is 3 times 3 times 5 times 5. Alright? Let's do them in square. That is, in index form. But it must be in square. 3 raised to power 2. 5 raised to power 2. Then we'll pick one out of it. Right? Therefore, the square root of 225 is 3 times 5 equals 15. So far, so good. This is how to find squares and square roots of numbers in mathematics. Thank you for watching and listening. Please help to share this video and other videos on our channel. Like this video and other videos on our channel. Thank you. See you next time.